the show is relevant, and many conversations hopefully will be had in a healthy way about how we've presented certain things. Tandav is ready, as we're talking about. We finished Bunty Bubbly, and just going to work and shooting has also given about 1,000 people around us employment. Let's take the Tandav character. I mean, we're talking about a politician who is powerful and dangerous. Tanaji and Tandav and a couple of these things have had darker shades, which frankly have been fascinating to play because they have much more fun than the kind of straight guy is having on screen.
Hi, Saif. This is Faridun from Bollywood and welcome with us once again. Congratulations for a fantastic 2020. Very few people have had a very, very good and successful 2020. You are one of them.
Yeah, I mean, it's not something, I mean, I can be so happy about because it's just been terrible for so many people. Right. So it would be very selfish to really celebrate that. But we've done some hard work also. We've done some, I've shot quite a lot of Bhoot Police. Tandav is ready, as we're talking about. We finished Bunty Bubbly. And, just going to work and shooting has also given about 1,000 people around us employment. They've got paid, given support to that kind of thing. So that's something, I guess, that we can feel we've been constructive about.
And when we take their families into account, I think numbers is much better.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
So the teaser of Tandav has had a fantastic response. People are eagerly waiting for the trailer now. One dialogue of yours has become so popular. What does that tell you about the sort of expectation that people have from the show?
Well, I think we as Indians are very political creatures, and we like discussing politics a lot. So we always thought it'd be a good idea to do a show on politics. And the big idea really is, any kind of drama basically explores what happens to people under pressure. And what would be more exciting than a kind of political setup with different factions, different sections of Indian society, student politics, student love stories, teacher love stories, intercaste relationships, power plays, deception, drama, murder. A lot of it is made up. A lot of it is kind of based on things that actually happen. And a fascinating show to kind of discuss, explore people and ambitions and that kind of thing. So, I mean, we just thought it's a good idea.
Right. So Ali Abbas Zafar has said that it's a search for, there's something between the right and the wrong. And it's basically, there's no such thing as black or white. It's a search for grays. In your career, you've played several characters which have had gray shades. You revel in that. You always said that you enjoy such characters. And I believe there are similar sort of shades in Tandav as well. Why do you find such characters fascinating?
I actually don't know, and I don't know if I always will. It's just a temporary thing. I mean, sometimes let's take the Tandav character. I mean, we're talking about a politician who is powerful and dangerous because of how he reacts, and I was drawn to the character because you don't know what he's thinking, and he's got a very kind of mysterious or placid exterior. But what's happening behind the scenes is quite dramatic and anything can happen. Therefore, it's entertaining to watch. And of course, it's kind of make believe. So he can go to any length. And I find that kind of reaction interesting. And I've gone through a phase maybe where a few of those roles have come together. And some of these negative roles that I've been drawn to are extremely well written. They're better written than a lot of positive roles one has heard, if you think in those terms. And I don't think in those terms. I just think in terms of, what's an interesting job? You live at home, life is good, you have your family, you've got your outlook on life. Very important to work for creative satisfaction, but what are you doing at work? What are you going to play all day? So if it's interesting and fascinating, keeps you occupied, you come home and forget about it and carry on with your life. That's the kind of balance I aim for. So I just choose something that will be worth leaving my home for. And so often we're away, from families, staying in some hotel, doing some work. So it better be worth it. So it just happens that, Tanaji and Tandav and a couple of these things have had darker shades, which frankly have been fascinating to play because they have much more fun than the kind of straight guy is having on screen, at least in my head. And that's why I'm doing it. But I don't know if I'll continue to do it. I do have Adipurush also lined up, which is as negative as you can get in those terms. But it might be nice to take a trip to the positive side after that, before one goes mad.
When we see the teaser, one can also have those real life references and sort of similarities that one can draw from, say, whatever is happening in terms of the student politics and various other turmoils that is going on. Do you think that people can draw certain parallels from whatever is happening around us right now?
I don't know. I mean, there were so many things in the show that I was shocked that have actually kind of happened. And obviously, I mean, we don't have fortune tellers in our script writing department, but I think we've had things that have been relevant to our country for a very long time, and scenarios that could very well happen. And some of those scenarios have happened. So we were not trying to be sensational. We were just trying to tell a story that has far-reaching impact. I mean, what does politics concern? I mean, who are the people involved with these political decisions? I mean, definitely the agricultural sector comes under that at one point, as does steel and heavy industry and all these things. So there's a fine line between, as long as you're not being sensational, I think, the show is relevant. And many conversations hopefully will be had in a healthy way about how we've presented certain things. But it's high quality writing and directing. So I don't see an issue with, I think the intention is important. The intention is not to be sensational.